Peace, beautiful people. It's Letitia with Piece of Food, and today I'm making bruschetta. I'm just picking some basil and tomatoes out of my garden and getting started. So I'm just chopping up my cherry tomatoes, and I honestly am not a huge fan of tomatoes, but cherry tomatoes are my favorite, and honestly the ones that I grow in my garden just taste way better than the ones that are store-bought. So grow you some tomatoes. So I'm just chopping. Fun. Then I'm going to chop up my basil. I washed my basil and patted it dry, mostly. And I'm just going to roll it and chop it up. I'm not a professional chef, so some of my cuts aren't perfect. So I'm just chopping it up. You can also just rip it apart. If you want it to have like a child do it with you, you can have them rip it apart if you didn't want them to use a knife. So I'm adding some Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese. I added minced garlic. I also added some salt and crushed red pepper. And then instead of balsamic vinegar, which I didn't have, I used apple cider vinegar, so whichever you want to choose. Now I'm just cutting up my Italian bread, and to make it extra special, I'm putting earth balanced butter, putting some more of the minced garlic, and then I'm adding more of the vegan Parmesan cheese on it too. So it's just going to make it a little bit tastier. Put some olive oil on the pan and put it in the oven, and it looks beautiful. Now I'm just topping my mixture of bruschetta on there, and there you go. Enjoy.